In this video, I am going to show you how to delete your CJDropshipping account. If you've made the decision to close your CJDropshipping account, follow these steps. 1. Access your CJDropshipping account and navigate to your profile settings. Look for the Account Security section within your profile settings. Within Account Security, locate and select the option labeled Delete Account. You will be prompted to confirm your decision to delete your account. Review the terms and conditions associated with the account deletion. If you agree to proceed, confirm your decision to delete the account. You may need to input verification code for security purposes. Once you've confirmed the deletion of your CJDropshipping account, it will be permanently deleted. By following these steps, you can effectively close your CJDropshipping account. And if you have any questions or encounter difficulties during the process, don't hesitate to reach out to the CJDropshipping support for assistance. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.